Hey friends, let's learn about gatekeeping in journalism. So, according to you, who is a gatekeeper? You see gatekeepers in societies, apartments, buildings, or residential areas. What is the role of that gatekeeper? So, basically, he decides who will enter that building and who will not. Similarly, in journalism, gatekeepers are the persons who select, modify, or reject the flow of messages to the receivers or the audience, and in this way, they can influence the flow of information. For example, an editor in a newspaper or television news channel, he or she decides what stories will be published or broadcasted. Or in a film, it is the producer or director who decides which scenes will go into the final film. Let me give you a case study. In Vidarbha region of Maharashtra, it is a drought prone area and farmers face severe distress here. But very few reporters cover their story, their distress. But a few kilometers away from that region, whenever a fashion show occurs, for example, there was a Lakme fashion show which occurred there, and hundreds of reporters covered that fashion week. And do you know, the models who were wearing cotton clothes, it was the same cotton which was grown by those farmers. So you see the paradox. But only this Lakme Fashion Week story reaches to us very prominently, while the farmers' distress don't. Why this is? Because gatekeeping. Because when the publishers or the owners of media houses decide what will be covered. Okay, so basically gatekeepers perform three functions. First is to limit the flow of information, because there is so much happening around us and everything cannot be converted into a meaningful message. So gatekeeping needs to be done. Gatekeeping is not bad in itself because we need to limit the information, but when real issues are suppressed and only sensational stories are covered for the sake of views or TRPs, then it is questionable. Then, okay, second is to expand the information by giving us additional information. For example, if a reporter or anybody covered the Ram Janmabhoomi or Babri Masjid case, or if he or she wrote an article, then the additional information needs to be told. For example, why this case is in Supreme Court, why Babri Masjid was demolished, and what were the events that followed thereafter. All this needs to be told to the readers or the viewers. So, okay, gatekeepers also expand the information. Then third is to reinterpret or reorganize the information. In this way, they can influence our attitudes or opinions about an issue. And they also tell us what to make of that information, how to make sense of that information. For example, if there is a war between Russia and Ukraine, what is the impact of that war on India? Or if US is denying visa to immigrants, what will be its impact on Indians working there or people who wish to work in US? Okay, I hope you understand what gatekeeping is. With this, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching.